Well, good morning. It is a work day here at the Detroit Christian Church. We have a project we've been working on for a little while and getting it prepared, and today is the day I hope we complete the project. Something we've been talking about doing for a long time, and that is restoring the bell. The bell has not rang in several years, and it has been up in a bell tower since 1884. And so it's an exciting day trying to get that restored. I'll have some footage of the project to show you as the day goes along. This is our exterior of the bell tower. And I'll show you in just a moment how we get to it. And here's how we get up there. Here's how we get the tools. This is up the ladder here. This ladder's only been here since 1884. Must have been built by a long-legged guy. It's quite a climb. You can see these are the old front doors stored up here. So what we've done already is we've ran this power line down, and it goes through this wall down to the basement, and then we come out into the auditorium, and I'll show you that in just a little while where the switch is. We're putting an automated striker in. Instead of ringing the bell by a rope like this, we have an automated striker, and we'll have a button we'll press, and it'll strike the bell from the outside. And they're playing with the bell right now, you can hear it. Let's go up and see what they're doing.
And we drill some holes down, then we know where to put the 4x6 below. Let's say just, we don't want this touching. Let's say just whack that there. Let's see. I don't even know if we need to whack, I can just put it up afterwards. I don't think we want to touch it. It could touch the floor.
You can see where the rope used to be. It's all dry rotted off by now.
I'd rather it didn't touch the floor, you know, because we don't want it wiggling on it. If you're wiggling on it.
Oh, here.
I'd say we square up.
People carve their names over the years.
I'm going to take one of these down so I can get the right wrenches. And you want... see it. It's 9/16. Well, let me see. Yeah. So that's non-stick.
Just look at the wood. This old rough sawn lumber. Old. We've got some weak spots that we've had to reinforce. You can see where we've reinforced.
4x6. I'll tell you another way it could be done, Paul. You could put a couple of short ones, 4x6s this way. See what I'm saying? Because it's going to want to wiggle this way. It's not going to. All right, that's better. There. That's that bottom one.
All right, well, that's the finished project. Big thank you to Rick Barger for his help with the wiring, Dr. Dan Mefford and Paul Lennon for their work with installing the bell, especially with some of the woodworking and reinforcing that had to be done. And here it is. This is being recorded on the Thursday before Easter. So Easter Sunday 2026, we'll be ringing that bell, Lord willing, and looking forward to ringing that bell every Lord's Day for the foreseeable future to signal to the Detroit community that it's time to come worship the Lord Jesus Christ. So thank you for watching.